Hi friends, here I am introducing the comparing of two products. The first one is the vacuum plug by Milton. Here I am blocking the packet. Yes, it is. The vacuum flask is ideal for keeping green tea. You can see the Milton logo here. It is the Milton integrated hardware. You may say it. The Milton hardware is here. Here it is the vacuum flask. Yes, the size is quite good. Yes, see its size. You may find the steel product also. Yes, here the plastic product is here, and you can see all the sides of the packet. The instruction is here, and all is here. Here the instructions are. The instructions, all the instructions are written here. Yes, I am keeping my finger here, and by keeping my finger I am indicating all the peripherals here. You can see all the peripherals here, which is written as an integration and all the instructions, and here the logo and the image, and this side here is also the image of the flask, and the variation is here, the color variation. Yes, the total color variation is here. The three colors are available here by Milton. It's the white, and the yellow is ivory, and earth yellow. The three color variation is here. The barcode is also here, just under it, and under it the image of the flask. Yes, its inner building. I am going to show it. The inner building of the flask is here. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, the inner building is showing here. The flask and how it is kept in the container. And it is sturdy, quite sturdy than the other flask. Obviously, the plastic flask. And MRP is 299 in Indian price. You can see here. Now the Milton flask upper side. The intelligent hardware by Milton or homeware. I am opening the pack. Yes, now I am opening the pack using my scissor, and I am going to show you the inner flask. Yes, I am opening it. Here, the upper side, and I am going to bring it out. The sturdy flask is showing here, and I am going to bring it out the flask. Yeah, the flask is out now. It is the yellowish ivory color. It is the bottom side of the flask. See the bottom here. The bottom side is quite glossy as all over the body. I am showing the bottom side. Here are four lines here, and the curved side, possibly to avoid the direct touch from the flask. Second one, I am going to show the inner flask. Yes, I am opening the bottom, not the upper side. I am opening the upper side. Yes, I am opening the upper side by screwing its head or lid. You can say anything. I am opening it. Yes, it is opened, and you can see the inner hole here. Here is the flask body, and total flask is here. And in this hollow, you can put any warm solution, any warm drink to keep it warm, just for a long time. It may keep you warm for at least 6 to 7 hours. And here is the jug. Here is the jug beak, from which the liquid will be out. The flask is here. You can see it. The good side, all is showing here. Yes, it is. It is quite good and evident at it. The Milton flask. Yes, it is very sturdy. It is very well built. And as I have said before, you may find the steel flask also, which would be more better than it. Yes, by Milton. Yes, I am opening it again. Yes, I am opening it again. And see the flask lid. It is quite round, and as you can see inside here something which makes this hollow, and this insulated figure may keep the liquid warm in your flask. Yes, the blank side. Now I am pressing it, screwing it. Yes, and now I am keeping it in quite good condition as it was before. This is finely maintained here. See, it's quite good. It is finely maintained here. Just it each. Now it is over. Now I am going to put your mark on the Milton casserole. Yes, the insulated casserole. This insulated casserole is one of the best product by Milton. Yes, it can keep any half product like rice, wheat, bread in warm condition. Here are the variations of colors. Here are the variation of colors. The Milton casseroles is named as buffet. The variation of the colors. Yes, these three variations. The insulated casserole. The three variations are here. It is at least 378 on Indian price, and you can make any hard work using it. It is very easy to serve, easy to store, or easy to see anything. And here are the key features of it. And I am showing all the side of it. Front, side, back, all is there. Yes, it is. Here is the sticker, and here is the tape. And if I want to look the inside, I have to open it. All the side is sealed by using Milton tape. You must see this before wipe it, because they are the trademark of Milton, and it may help you to take the original pack of Milton or original product of Milton. Now I am going to open the product using my scissor. Yes, I am passing my scissor to cut the tape. Yes, it is, and here it is. I have cut the tape. It is cut quite goodly. Fine here. Yes, yes, it is here. Now I am opening the casserole. Yes, the casserole is here. I am opening the casserole. The casserole is covered with a thin paper. You can see here, thin paper, the Milton paper. I am opening it. Yes, this casserole is obviously named inquiringly popular or hot pot, as it keeps the material inside it hot. Here is this casserole, the fine illuminated. Now I have to open this product inside the paper. Yeah, here you can see this product is insulated by steel pan. A steel pan is insulated inside this product. I am opening for a clear view. Here it is. This product is insulated, and the paper, here it is. You can see the paper is also with the Milton logo, which indicates the genuineness of this product. Milton, 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 and it's repeated again and again. Here is the Milton trademark and the products of Milton, which can be kept inside this product. You may keep inside. You may find Milton water bottle, jugs, flasks, casseroles, even the tiffin carrier. The variations of Milton is written here. Nothing more here. The casserole. I am pointing the casserole here. Yes, it is the casserole. This casserole here I am opening, or I have opened. The insulated casserole. This is the casserole. The steel pan is inside it and it is insulated. And now the lid. It is the steel pan that is insulated, and in outer it is the steel pan, in outer it is the plastic, and inside a steel pan is insulated, and this between them some insulated sponge like product that is not seen here is stuck, which keeps the material hot, or in other words it sticks as a medium which keeps it apart from the outer events or outer weather or anything. The beauty of this product is the glossy part still. I can think it is more glossy than the other hot pot or other casseroles, and it is long lasting too. And it is so long lasting and it is so glossy that you can see your face through it. Here is the handle to handle it, and you can find the variations of size 1 liter, 2 liter, like this. Here is the Milton logo, here is the back. Now I am putting my hand to open its lid. After showing the bag, I am going to do so. See the bag and see the trends of Milton, see its stamp, its product, and see how Milton has designed this product. Very fine oven, and now the lid. It is the lid. The lid is also designed using the same quality or same integration, but the steel pan is disappeared here. Here is no steel pan, but same type insulation is used here, the same quality material of plastic. Here you can see the two sides of plastic, and the hollow middle is covered with some spongy materials, as I have said before. Yes, the sound tuck 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 show you that it is not solid one but hollow one, and something insulated material is between them. Okay, then here it is. I am showing the lid here. Here it is, and it is quite good. Bye bye. Again it.